Hello, I am Subrata Biswas, roll number 21EC10075, and I am in section 7. In DIY assignment 1, I have made this spinner, and in this video I will tell you how I made this spinner and what resources I used to make this spinner. So that at first I am showing you the sketch that I have used to make the spinner, so that you can see that there I have used some sketches, some part of the circles, and I have used the circles radius of 14 millimeter, and the distance of centers of these part circles from the actual center is 28 millimeter. So that is I have used to make first the spinner's body, and then I make the spinners, these bearings and the pins separately. Then I combined it to this to make this spinner. In the spinner the thickness of this main body is 7 millimeter, and after making this, after sketching, I used the pad option, and after pad option I make this thickness 7 millimeter, and then I use the option fillet to sharp the edges perfectly. After doing this, I change the color of this part to green, so that it looks good as a spinner. And after that I make these bearings separately, so that I can just add this to the main body and make this as a complete spinner. In this you can see this thickness is also 7 mm, and I have used these 2 mm radius small balls for this bearing. And after this I have made this pin that you can see to make the spinner complete. After this pin, after using 2 pins and 4 bearings, I use this complete spinner that you can see. After doing this, I saved this file as a STL file, and I take to this file to the Cura software. That is it. And in this you can see that it is in the bed, and after this I sliced it to see what time is to be taken for this printing at the printing device, and it's showing 1 hour 34 minutes for the given setting that is also given in the tutorial video. I think it is a great idea for me to make this spinner. So that is it. Thank you.